Now that you're ready to sell your home, you want to make sure you sell it for every single penny that it's worth. With our experience and connections, we ensure you get the best possible price you deserve. Now, the advantage is that you don't have to go through the process of getting your house ready for sale. There's no staging, no repairs, you don't have to deal with open houses or dozens of people coming through your home. You simply fill out the form, we take a look at your house, and then get you the best possible offer. You can even close quickly in as little as 21 to 30 days or whenever it's convenient for you. We've been selling real estate in Northeast Florida for nearly 20 years, continue to get 5-star reviews, and are excited to get your house sold too. So fill out the form here and we'll give you a call soon.